Hi everyone, my name is Esther and I'll be doing Miss Josie's makeup for the first time. I hope it turns out well. Please don't go anywhere, sit and watch to the end. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. Welcome to the Josie fam. So fam, today I am going to let my student Esther here beat my face for the first time. So Esther came in as an intermediate student, meaning she had basic understanding about makeup already and she was already beating people's faces. So she came to polish her skills a bit with me and I was excited to have her. So today she's going to beat my face for the first time and I can't wait for you to see the outcome. Please don't forget to comment down in the comment section below. Let's get interactive. Let me know what you think about her work. And so fam, enjoy. Let's get into this video. Mwah. So fam, before she started, she went ahead and wiped my face of all the oils and the dirt, just a small prep before the makeup goes on the face. And so she went ahead and applied some primer and now she's blending in that primer with a damp beauty blender. And so afterwards she decided to go in with the foundation next. And so she went in with the foundation and she's now blending in that foundation with a foundation brush or a blending brush. So as they say, there are no rules in makeup, and so it depends on the kind of look you are going for. If you are going to be working with a pigment that is going to fall on the face, it's mostly advisable to do the eye first before the foundation and all the other products that will go on the face. But if you can control the eyeshadow, you can go ahead and start with your foundation, and you can actually use some eyeshadow covers if you have some when you start with the foundation and you decide to do the eye look and later on you realize you are going to be having some fallout. You can use the eyeshadow pads or covers. You can actually go in and finish with the foundation or the liquid or the wet products on the face, and as you set with powder, you can actually apply some loose powder underneath the eye to catch any fallouts. That is one tip or one technique you can also use in case you don't do the eyes first. And so after applying and blending the foundation, she's going to work on the brow next. And so she's filling in the brow right now. And after filling in the brow, she's going to highlight the brow bone area or the brows with some concealer. And so one question I often get from my students is, what are the steps when applying makeup? Do you start with foundation first? Do you start with the brow first? And I usually tell them there are no rules. You go with the flow. Whatever you feel will help you to work fast and achieve the look you are going for, just go for it. You can start with the face and finish with your brows. You can start with the brow and then go to the eye and then the face, or you can start with the face, do the eye and the brow and the lips. I mean, it depends on you. When I'm working with clients or when I'm working on clients and I am in a hurry, I sometimes do the face first if I think the brow is going to take some time. Usually I don't waste much time on brows. I normally sketch it, finish with the face, and then perfect it at the end. And so it depends on you and how you feel like working on any client. And so some people like to stick with a routine, and that's totally up to you, and that is also fine. But I just say go with the flow. So far as you know what you're doing, just go with the flow. So after she finished with the brows, she's now going to highlight the face. So to highlight, she's using a concealer that is, I would say, 3 shades lighter than my skin, and she's going to apply that underneath the eye and on the forehead area as well as the chin area. And she's using a detailed brush when it gets too close to my eye, and that is going to help her get the product underneath that area, and also to blend that area without disturbing the eye. So if you have come this far in this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to the Josie fam. My name is Josie, and I'm a Ghanaian makeup artist and a nail tech based in Koforidua in the eastern region of Ghana. My channel is all about makeup tutorials, beauty, and more. I've started adding some travel vlogs here and there. So if that is something you are interested in, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel and join the Josie family. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So after applying and blending the concealer, Esther is now working on the eye, and she's doing a cut crease technique. And so she's cutting the crease now with some concealer. So after cutting the crease, she's now going in with some orange shade on top of that cut crease she just did. I must say, it feels so relaxing when someone is doing your makeup. I mean, when you are doing someone's makeup, it's different. But when you are enjoying the brushes on your face, it feels so relaxing. That is, if the person applying the makeup is gentle on your face. But no wonder some people fall asleep when you are doing their makeup. Some people doze off when you are doing their makeup. So after applying that orange shade, she's now going to apply this dark brownish color to smoke the outer V and blend it to meet that orange cut crease she just did. So she's going to quickly finish the second eye. I feel when you are creating an eyeshadow look, it's mostly advisable to finish with one eye to see the kind of look you are going for before you do the other eye. And so it's easier and it's faster when you are working on the other eye because you already know what you are doing. Some people also prefer to recreate on both eyes as they go. I do that sometimes, and you even have to reapply the shadows sometimes and make sure that both eyes are looking similar, and so you go in both ways. If you have to reapply a pigment, or you have to go in with some shimmer to top up the look, you work on both eyes in one way or the other. So it depends on you and the kind of look you are going for. So it's time to set the face now, and Esther is using this fluffy brush from the CB Pro collection, and she's also using a pressed powder to set the highlighted areas. So it's time to go back to the eye and finish the eye, and she is going in with some liquid eyeliner, and she's going to follow that up with some mascara and some false lashes. So it's now time to go in and work on the lips, and she's lining my lips now with some dark brown pencil. So prior to this, at the time that she applied the primer, she also applied some lip balm on my lips. It was not captured in this video, but that is also very essential to apply some lip balm during the prepping phase, where you prep the skin before you apply the makeup. In case you forget, it's always advisable to apply some lip balm to moisturize the lips as well before you apply the lipstick, regardless of when you do it. You can do it earlier on, or you can do it right before you apply the lipstick. It's all good. So now she's going to contour the face, and now she's working on the nose, and she's applying some blush now, and she's using the You Are Gold palette from the Revolution X Patricia Bright palette. And now she's setting the face with some setting spray, and this will help lock in the makeup. And now she's going to highlight the high points of the face, that is the cheekbone area and the brow bone area. So she's going in now to highlight the cupid's bow as well as the inner tear duct area, and that will be it for the look. And I absolutely enjoyed this session. I was so relaxed, and that's the final look, and I am so happy with how this look turned out. I love orange, and this orange eyeshadow was giving me some life. So fam, this is the final look, and I love it. Thank you so much, Esther, and congratulations on deciding to learn a craft. And so I hope you are going to keep practicing until you become perfect at what you do. We can only strive for perfection, and so I hope she's smiling. Okay, so thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.